Welcome everyone to Juice King! Bum, 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 bum. Sadly, my brother ain't here. I love...
Hey guys, I'm over here.
Yeah, I'm joking. So everyone, we're playing Juice King. This right here. So if y'all did not see the second one and the first one, please go check them out before you see this video because you're going to be so confused, my friend. Wow, Sammy, you just clicked it already and I was almost about to say something. Hey! Sorry, we're here. So please, like and
Subscribe and have a juicy day.
Oh, wow. You know what? Actually, that was so beautiful. May I do it again?
Okay. Now let's play.
Okay. I hate if I'm so short. Maybe they just don't know how to finish the song, I guess.
All the lyrics just Chainsaw Juice King.
I guess.
Oh no, the bee is back!
Leave us alone, help! Ah! Help!
We're trying to murder all the boys.
We murder you? I only got 26 apples. Dang. That's actually pretty a lot.
We don't want you, bee! Wait, we have enough. Wait, they showed us something.
Wait, let me just do something.
And we're back.
So here?
Leave us alone! No, it's not that.
Oh, what you trying to do, man? Well, you're a boy, aren't you?
This.
Oh yeah, and you just wasted half of our money.
Well, we got oranges! Big time! Oh, Lucky Pack!
Get it.
Banana.
Banana, umana.
Wait. Cookies, blender A, more tips, or blender B?
Would Blender be like faster? So we get more customers, so maybe that. Kill it!
What? This is great!
Wait, they're killing us!
wait.
Help, they're killing!
Oh,
Wait, no wonder we have the lives! Wait,
What the heck is that?
Wait, we need to kill it.
Kill it!
Kill it! Stop! Guys, stop! Help! Oh god! Ah!
Get it!
I can't run fast, bro! It keeps running away!
Baby!
Oh, get it! Yes, I got it!
What was it for?
I don't know. It was diamond, so...
Be careful! You died.
Really?
Oh wait, no you didn't! Oh, I thought that's it! Oh, be careful. When you run out of HP, you'll drop all the items in your bag.
Oh, God.
If you get low on HP, come back to the store. You'll recover quickly.
Oh, hello. No.
Gem pudding? We don't want gem pudding. I want to just get one.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, kind sir. Oh no, it's a normal, whatever it's called. Regular. Wait, if we got the big oranges, then can we get the big apples?
I don't think so. Oops. No. Y'all, we are back. Now we got this turtle.
Wait, the turtle's fast!
So good and confused. Let's kill this orange. Oh my god, he almost tried to escape out of his pen. How rude.
Wait, let me try.
They're not really fighting back.
Be careful! Run!
I think I'm gonna be healing.
They're upset. And leave us alone, Bee. Fine.
I like him following us. Let's call him Jeff. Can we call him Jeff?
Fine. How about Barry the Bee?
Okay.
Wait, no, that name's already taken.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
How about Buddy the Bee?
Okay. Equipped. Hey, look. I did not notice. Wait, guys, we have new bags?
Wait, we get new bags? There's a ramen bag? A leaf bag?
What?
Uh-oh. Some people are mad.
Here, guys. Here.
Wait, let me try. Oh, we get a reward. Hey! what do we need?
Let's
Blender.
Our cookies. Wait, guys, wait, what is that? What is that? Wait, let's collect all this money. Yeah. Yeah.
Build server housing?
What?
Who are you? Server, I'll deliver 5 things. Hey! We should call them...
Let's call them the garbage gang.
What? They're not
Yeah.
garbage? Okay, what about Mellow? Now the server will move the cheese to the shelves for you.
Wait, y'all, I think actually Jack is a girl.
I guess if she's a girl, then we can call her Jessina.
No, Jack. We're keeping it.
How about Jackie?
Okay.
For some reason, that's a girl name. Back then, it used to be a boy name.
You're showing people so many new stuff. I don't even think they learn though. Well, we probably don't have like the level. See, I don't think. Yeah.
Oh, we have to build. I forgot.
Rank 6.
Oh, we got another server house in.
Cool. Wait, what is this? Oh yay, we get this bloody. Wait, do we want this or our baby?
Well, she's growing up.
She's growing up too
I
fast.
don't like how they added blood. It's like Chainsaw Massacre.
Kill! Oh, I think they actually killed him.
I forgot what it was.
These guys, this needs to. Wait. What do you want?
Oh, we got enough to buy.
Okay, wait. Kill! Yo! We need a hill. Okay, yeah. Now, kill. Yeah.
Wow,
We gotta like stand here to heal. Here more. Over. Oh, hello.
Oh, that's pretty nice. Okay, so let's go.
Money.
Jackie,
Money.
you're doing good, Jackie.
No, Jack.
Just Jack? Isn't it a girl?
Look at our money. Yo, look at our money in the right corner.
374B.
That's literally half of the population. Well, not half.
The population? That's probably more than human.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot, y'all. I'm stupid.
I'm not your y'all.
I'm stupid, actually.
No, you're not. You're smart. You're just sitting down.
It's free!
Hey, go. That'd be a cool little
Oh, no, but they're definitely going faster. That's one thing.
yeah.
There's more work to do. I'm evil, yeah. Yeah, we need to get more apples. They're completely out. Oh my god, I got the golden apple! I got another freaking golden apple. I could just be like, yeah.
Quit wasting time. Wait, what's that?
Oh, we lost.
What's that thing you're doing? 400 feet.
I don't want to. No, I don't want to use it now.
What if that's a jam shell? Ooh! Oh, that's new. It's a bar.
Yeah, not a jam set.
Oh, it's a harvester. I'll harvest food. Make her a harvester. Let's assign him the position. It's a boy?
Oh,
Okay, the
the harvester.
will now...
Can I
Okay,
read?
fine.
The harvester will now hunt for fruit for you. Just choose the fruit you need.
You can pick and take out the stored fruits from here. We don't want that.
No. you doing? No. Oh, everybody's jumping like.
Hurry, we need help. We need help. We need help.
Okay, good.
So much money than the world can handle. Oh, look, they're helping us.
Huh?
Thank you, dude. Actually, maybe the oil boys. They're just hands.
No, that's a girl.
Isn't that a beard that she has?
No, that's a bow.
Why is the bow down? Oh, it's a bow.
It's just a bow. Stop being so weird. Oh, what's it? I gotta help.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I totally forgot about that one. It's the cashier. Wait, we can get 2 cashiers?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, that's Jack 1, that's Jack 2. I'm Jack 3. Wait, what should my name be in here?
How about
Sky.
okay, Sky.
That's my username.
Yeah.
Wait, are you Freevo? Yeah, boo. Come here, you slay your enemies, and then I just have to kill your family. Oh my god! I love that they tried to escape from their pen. So cute. I think that's a cutie.
I can't wait. We gotta build a juice shop.
I know. I'm really excited for that.
Where are the juice shops?
Oh, wait. Let's get Blender A.
I have a lot of cookies in here.
Yeah. Oh, my feet hurts. God, I've been sitting on them too long.
We didn't need information.
I'm sorry. It just hurts. Yeah, thank you for just wasting my flipping money. Whoa, I gotta help. I love that some of them have rosy cheeks. That's so sweet.
Okay, we have 5. He's trying to escape. Wait a second, why are they panicking?
Ah! Oh, he tried to... No! Stop! That's my job!
No, they're helping us. That's good.
No, that's my job! I don't want you no more! That's my job of doing it!
Why are you upset?
But I'm the one who's supposed to kill, not you! Please, die! I don't want you no more!
Okay, we gotta get those juice sellers. What's this?
Why did you buy that?
Well, I didn't know.
I didn't want that! You wanted it!
Well, helps us either way.
Thank you!
What did I do?
No, I'm talking about the guy
Oh. Okay, you gotta get this. It's okay, Eliana. What's in the shop?
Wait, I think there is a way of getting rid of you. Minus. Yay. Bye. Yeah, he's gone for eternity! The only reason why I was mad because I thought that was my job, not your job.
We can get all of this cash if we watch an ad.
Yay, it's gone.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Everybody really wants freaking apple juice.
Well, she's just sitting around.
You're never gonna get paid. 42. You know what? I actually need to get one of these, bro. Yeah, because we need to get something. John!
Oh, wait.
Get away! Oh, he
Uh-oh,
noticed
he's
me.
following us.
Work faster! You work faster now?
Let's compare.
Alright. Speed. this game, don't tell us, okay? Because we want to figure it out on our own. Well, I did, but maybe not Sammy, but... Aw, still get yoked up? What?
Ooh.
I think you will go faster, I guess. Yeah, probably.
No one likes you. You better kill you for food, not for living. You're for food, not for living.
No, I do. I want to not for a living, just for food. I gotta get more apples. I'm getting 2 to start on the open orange juice. I gotta reload it. Good job. To the trees. I speak to the trees. Now I gotta kill the trees. You know what I'm saying? Oh wait, I forgot that. Little piece. Henry, no! You died! Yes, now you can probably run faster. You can probably get the juice out. So where is it? Ah! I need help, Jack! Jack! I'll help you!
Wait, we gotta lay down for a second.
Ow! What? What up? Okay, you scared me for a moment. Yay, we got Jack number 2.
Jack 1 and Jack number 2. Who is the real Jack?
Him right here. See? Wait, what was running around? I swear I saw something running around. Oh, it's probably him.
Hey, wait, we're coming for you. I was running around like
It only like runs around here. I need to get it. I obviously cannot get it if you are distracting me. Oh my god, it's almost dead. No, I'm almost dead. Help! Help! Where are you? Yay! Yes, I got it. Hey, you need to... Oh my goodness. Wait, can we change our bag? Wait, I want to change our bag. Oh, wait. Let's have our old baby again. We're growing up just too fast.
me, your baby.
What? Fine, we will watch you if you ignore us.
Okay,
Y'all, we
anyways.
back and now we got 15 gems. Can we like... Oh, I got a cat.
Oh, what's this?
Oh wait, the cookies. Wait, do we gotta get them?
Oh,
No.
it's here again. And we got 1.73.
Oh no.
Oh, what's happening?
No.
What just happened?
Nothing. I accidentally clicked find.
Oh.
That's not funny. That's disappointing.
Yeah.
We don't want it. Fine. If you bother us for eternity.
The more tips means more stuff to buy.
Hello. Jack, I didn't know you were famous. Like you're in a sponsored ad? Wow. You work fast, please.
What's that thing?
No! I don't want you!
But it can. Why are you upset?
I don't like him. I don't like him. I like Jack and like number two, like Jack number 1 and Jack number 2.
Why do you like Jack?
Cause Jack was my first helper, and he is not. He's too new. New is bad.
Freddy's game is good. Ever heard of Freddy's
Shush!
Shut up.
You're ruining me. Oh God, wait. Oh.
It's over there.
Oh, he runs away. Oh wait, I got a heal maybe. Oh no, I don't. I'm safe. Kill you!
How do I get the key?
What? Sam,
We got
build a juice. What an organ! What a juice! I love my little walking feet, you know.
Okay. I'm gonna get the ice. I'm gonna get apples. Why is it ice? Not
Wait, Samuel, what do you prefer? Peanut and M&Ms or normal M&Ms? I prefer
Normal
peanut. I like peanut better. I used to eat them with my aunt. Do you remember, Auntie? Do you remember the good old days? I think I was like 5 or something. You were like in piano class or something. Yes, he does piano, and he's dang good at it.
settings. Account?
Help.
What? No.
Help. No. Wait, it was something like...
Look, there's this place called Amber Island. That's an island in this game called My Single Monsters. It's a good game, and I think you guys should try it. I recommend it.
You really did not gotta say that. Okay.
See, for some reason, my sister doesn't like the game.
Like, I mean, I like some of the monsters. It's just I don't know why everyone's so hyped about it. Like,
Because the songs are good.
kill the bush! No. Bro, do you want me to do all the work, or are you two lazy bums?
Need more apples. What's 11? But why does it say 11? I mean, it's not going up. Oh!
It's amount of I'm not even gonna ask. Can you just stop? I can grab it on my phone. Okay. Should Samuel do one of his own videos, like an actual video, like a 20-minute video, or should he do a short? Comment down below what he should do, because I want him to do his own little video, you know. I do the thumbnail, he does the video, you know.
Also, how do we get the juice shot?
I don't know.
Maybe we
Samuel,
Wait, let me have a try.
we probably has to be in like a level or something, because it's locked, so we probably have to be like in a level or something. You know?
A golden orange.
A golden orange. Yeah. Yes, the golden orange before we die! How many?
Why is it?
The secret is to let them stay in the place. You know? Oh, I gotta heal.
Oh, it does heal more.
Okay.
That's a lot of money.
Wait, maybe we can upgrade now. Please tell me. Yeah.
Gotta be level 5 of fire? Wait, this is rank. We're not actually double. Oh, wait, we can use a time skip. Aww.
Maybe there's something here we can use. No. Wait, Cody.
Oh,
Cody? That's a girl.
Lucy. Joel? Dances with Apple. What? There's a bad shit in here. It's a tree. There's an alien. I love an alien.
I love the heckin' alien. Aliens are cute. You wouldn't understand.
Aliens are the most terrifyingest monsters ever. Oh, wow. Oh, that actually shows us.
Oh, look. People love apple juice.
Maybe because it takes more time for the orange juice to
Oh, what is this, like, exclamation for? Oh, people, we have no orange juice. Yeah! We gotta kill all of the apples on the tree before we ain't gonna get no juice, you see? Is that good rhyming? We're not talking to him because it's an ad. He scams us. So don't even try. I hope like we get a golden apple because if we don't, I'm sad. Kill all these apples, will you see? I said well, we could get 48 apples, Samuel.
48 apples.
Yep. No more apples.
Die!
I think that's enough.
Why is that fingerprint?
I don't know. He wants us to do this, and I'm not.
Let's just do it a little bit.
Fine. Let's do it for a little bit. Fine. You always ruin my day.
I do? I ruined your day.
No, not.
Okay, that's good. Oh, increase surface. Oh wait, we can get the cookies.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Get these cookies. No, we're not paying $12 for it.
What even is that, Rex? Ugly. Y'all, we back. That's who's back. Fine, I guess I'm gonna heckin' use you for a little bit. Actually, people like the apples more, so let's actually do that.
See, she is helpful.
That's a guy! That's me!
He is helpful. Who's a girl and who's a boy?
These are girls! The one with the heckin'
Then why do you have a boy name?
No! I just like the name Jack for them! That's the name we're picking them. We're not changing them. What do you want? Fine.
Not finished. You have to increase it 5 more times.
Guys, get ready to kill the golden apple! Run! Get down! No, we're not. We have a little bit of hope. Oh god, wait, I just did all down. But whatever.
Wait, go down.
What are you doing? Killing more apples, man.
Those are oranges.
Oh.
Did you legit thought they were apples? They're oranges. You should learn your fruits.
I did when I was a baby.
Then when you were a baby.
Why are you sleepy? Why are you flipping sleepy? You're not.
Oh wait, maybe that's a bad thing.
Oh yeah, we probably have to be late.
I have to increase the glitter price 5 times again.
No, I can't do it, man. Can't do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh! That's a juicer! That's the juicer! Kiwi! Open the door. Yes! Yes!
Wait,
yes!
Samuel, they might have to miss the kiwi because it's 29 now. They probably have to miss it.
Wait. Okay, so can we end the video with killing the kiwis? They're terrified.
Okay.
Oh wait, after we unlock this pack. Okay, that's good. What do you want to choose? Oh, this one's new. Want to choose that?
No.
Yeah, what do you want? Cookies? Okay, blend it.
Break her Go! Like and subscribe and comment down below if you want us to do this again. Oh my god, they're running! Ah! Anyway, party people, we